And now, all the news from the Mahakumbh, the largest religious congregation in the world. On day 4 of the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, thousands of devotees from all corners of the country and even abroad are flocking to the ghats of Sangam to take the holy dip. DD India's Siddharth Bhardwaj gets you the latest from Prayagraj.
This is the world's largest religious and peaceful gathering, and I'm here at Triveni Sangam, where the environment is electric. The devotees who are coming here from all parts of the country, in fact all parts of the world, are braving the dipping cold, the biting cold, and also taking the dip in the confluence of River Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, known as Triveni Sangam.
This is the most big and the most famous tirtha from any tirtha in India. Here the power of Gangaji, Yamunaji and Saraswati Maya is coming together, and so all people here feel this, and I will always also feel the same.
After first Amrit Snan, which was on 14th of January, the next Amrit Snan is on 29th of January on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya, and around 8 crore people, according to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, are expected to come here, and all the security arrangements, in fact elaborate security arrangements are being made to make sure that people who are coming here, they have a peaceful stay. The spiritual experience of the devotees, remain intact. The AI integrated CCTV cameras have also been put in place to make sure that the monitoring takes place, at every corner of the Mahakumbh premises. Apart from that, the security teams, including local police, NDRF, SDRF, NSG, all have deployed to make sure that security remains tight. There are QR codes everywhere in the Kumbh premises to make sure that people who come here, they get all the required information. They just have to scan their phone and they get to know where to eat, where to stay. Everything is being done in a very digitalized manner. With camera person Rakesh Kumar, this is Siddharth Bhardwaj reporting for DD India in Prayagraj.